Freelancing Tips Part 2. So after mong ma-identify ang skills mo at mapaganda ang profile mo, pwede na tayong maghanap ng jobs. So ano nga ba ang tips para mas madali kang mapansin ni client? You can filter kung alin ang mga most recent job posts in Upwork. Dahil sa dami ng competition, kailangan isa ka sa pinakaunang nag-send ng proposal para mas madali ka nilang mapansin. Yung tipong kakapost pa lang ni client, magpapasa ka na. This is what a job post looks like. Nakalagay dyan yung job details, yung experience level, duration ng work, and salary range. Nakalagay din dyan yung mga questions na dapat ma-fill out mo when submitting a proposal, and especially your skills they needed para ma-hire ka nila. This was posted a few minutes ago, that's why I recommend to look for the most recent post. If you can see there are less than 5 proposals, ibig sabihin, kaka-post lang yan. Online pa si client and for sure, makikita niya ang profile mo. You can also check if the client is payment verified. Sa mga nagtatanong, paano nga ba nakakaiwas sa scam? That's why I love Upwork. Kasi malalaman mo kung nagbabayad si client. And syempre, iiwasan mo yung mga di payment verified para hindi ka ma-scam. You can also see yung client history. Diyan mo makikita kung mabait ba yung client. Kasi hindi natin maiiwasan na may mga rude clients at yung mga bigla na lang mag-e-end ng contract. Somehow, makikita mo yan sa reviews ng previous freelancer na na-hire nila. As a freelancer, kailangan mo ring piliin ang clients na a-applyan mo because our goal is to have a long-term client, yung hindi ka ma-stress sa trabaho. And that's it! Please like, share, and follow for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching!